part to play. Coming into this, I learned so much about team that I never knew before. And on a lot of nights, you're going to have to fill roles that need to be filled. So a lot of the times, these two guys right here, they were doing all the scoring. Ray, Shane, they were hitting all the threes, Rio. So I figured I'd do something, play some defense, get some boards, and move out the way when they're doing their thing.
You said in 2006 the championship was Alonzo Mourning's. Last year you said the title was for LeBron James. How about this year?
I'm gonna take this one myself and be selfish for once. This was for me. Miami, I love y'all.
Ladies and gentlemen, stand to your feet and greet the greatest player in the world, number 6, LeBron James!
These fans, man, you guys were unbelievable once again.